Okay, I'm about to leave to go to Home Depot and Ace Hardware. I am going to get the Black & Decker edger, I think. We have whatever that green brand is. It's like all electric. We have their lawnmower and weed eater and leaf blower. They also have an edger. I'm just a little, I don't know. The Black & Decker one you can plug in using an extension cord, so I just feel like I'm gonna go with that option because I just don't want it to die when I'm in the middle of doing it. But I'm gonna go to Home Depot for that. And then I was looking at prices of wheelbarrows and it seems like Ace Hardware has the cheapest wheelbarrows. I literally just need something with a wheel. I'm not that concerned about it. So I might, if Home Depot's wheelbarrows are a little pricey, I might go to, what's it called? Ace Hardware. But I wanted to record this because I'm very branded out kind of on accident. I've got my Garden Center group cup. I'm wearing my Plants by Mail shirt. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm wearing my Southern Living Idea House bag. I just thought that was kind of funny because I'm sure people see me and are like, is that girl okay? Anyway. So these are 58 cents a piece and these are 98 cents a piece. I'm trying to decide is it worth 40 extra cents for this color? Okay, bag secured. Okay, day one, semi-update. I just sprayed this basically from that paver to the fence, all of that with grass killer. So I'm hoping I'll wake up in the morning to dead grass. This is what it looks like before. There's not, I mean, there is a lot of grass back there, but up here is this huge like patch of not grass. So I'm hoping tomorrow maybe at least. I don't know, we'll see. It'll be dead, I hope. But yeah, and I edged this and around the tree. So I think that's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's about all I can do. I might, well, I don't know. I kind of want to spray more grass killer maybe on the other side of the house, because if we can at least get the sides done, then I'll feel a little sense of accomplishment. But yeah, so this is what this looks like. Hopefully I'll wake up in the morning and show you a video of dead grass. So, and then I'll show you over here. This all needs to be sprayed. I'm just kind of a little reluctant to do it alone because I would kind of like Richard to like hold up a box or like a plastic thing or something just so I don't spray the plants just in case. But I might, if I'm feeling crazy, and my hand can handle the spraying motion, go ahead and spray at least some of this side. If I can, because all of this can be mulched, so then we could go ahead and mulch this maybe tomorrow night. So we'll see. At the very least tomorrow I'm going to fertilize my boxwoods, and I do want to spray this corner over here because then I can put these pavers down for the hose thing. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so there's my little update. But yeah, I'm glad we got this edged at least. That's good, you can see the line. I think I underestimated how much work this is gonna take.